So today we're going to cover another topic on MS Access, that is reports. So how to create a report. So today I will show you in brief, like how we can create a report in MS Access. So we have seen, and we have also covered in last topics like how we created table and queries. Today, based on our table, we are going to create a report. So whenever you are trying to create a report, so it would be based on your tables always. So we have two different set of table example. This is the one and this is two. So I will create on this table. Okay, so let me close and let me just select that table. Now click on the create button. So now if you go to create, you can see there are few options for report. So there are, there are different, like there are few difference between report to design or blank report. So blank report is nothing. It will give you the template. It will be completely blank. Okay. On blank, you have to add all these fields, whatever you feel need from the table. So right hand side, you can see show all table. So it's all about our tables. How many tables you created, it will display here. So I am looking for the table number this. Okay, table 2021. So now you have rights to choose any of these, or you can completely you can select all. So based on your requirement, you can customize your report with the fields. Suppose you need few of them. So what you will do, you will just click on that and like double click on name. Okay, so now you can see it is coming name with the data. So this is the example how it would be. Now I will click on the address, double click. I'm getting this address. Okay, so click on the mobile number, you will get a mobile number. Date and time, you will get fee amount, whatever amount, like whatever fields you need, you will just double click on this. Okay, just double click. Now you can see I have added all this. So right now it's a completely very scratchy, like you have to start from the scratch level. This is one way to create a report. So now you will do the modification. For any modification, the view should be always design view. Okay, now it shows the layout view and you have the report view. If I click on the report view, it will just show me the report wise how it looks. Now if I click on the design, I can make changes. Like if I need this header like bold, okay, I will just click all these fields, go to home and click on this. And also if you want to make colorful, then you can choose a color like this. Any color you can choose, it will work. Okay, at the same time, go to arrange, and like if you remove layout, it will remove all the layout. Okay, and now I'm just going to see is a report view. See, so this is what it looks. So you can design your report based on your requirement. This is one way. So I will show you another way. I'm not saving this one. I'm again going to click on create, and now I will say report wizard. Okay, again I will get all this option. So you can create a report based on table or queries, but always go with table. Okay, now you can choose few field. I will choose name, mobile number, time and date, or like suppose total amount. These four only I need, or you know I am just adding one more thing. Okay, now once you added all this, now click on the next. Now here it shows which one you want as a highlighted, name you want as a highlighted, or which one. So I would say I need name. So name would be on top always, and rest all will remain come after one by one. Okay. Now click on the next. Now it shows like name. What else you need? Any ascending, descending order. So I would say mobile number. Okay. After that, I will say like date and time. Then I will say total amount. This way you can write. So this summary option, what is summary option? So summary option, if you have any calculation with all this, then you have a like sum. If you click on sum, it will give you the sum calculation. If you want some field as a average, you can click on the average. If some fields you need as a minimum amount, then you have to click on minimum, otherwise maximum, anything you can do. Okay, this is one way. Also, if you want to calculate the percentage of total for particular thing, so you can also, you know, click on that box. So based on your requirement, you can, do. Right now I'm not going to do anything. I'll just create a simple. Now click on the next. Now here it shows the layout, how it would be. So you can see right left hand side the preview. If I click here, it will come like this. If I click outline, it will, so it will give you the preview. So I'm going with the stepped. Okay. Now here also the report size. You want landscape or uh, portrait. Okay. If you need portrait, then you can select whatever you want. So I need landscape. So always prefer landscape because that is a good size of any report. And now click on next. Now here it's asking you want to rename. So I would say RPT01. This is my report. So here you can preview the report or you can modify the report. So let's click on the preview and finish. Now it's look like this. Okay, so you have to do all this design. Okay, all the design part, how, like if you want to add any banner over here. So I don't want like report. Okay, I want some banner. So for that you need a label. Okay, just click on label and just drag and just type. Like I'm typing, this is my test report. Okay, this is your creating banner or header. Now you can increase your size. You can do the color changes. Background also, if you want, you will just click on the background and you can do all the changes on the background. So suppose I need white, okay, and it should come. Now you can do anything like, uh, on center or left, right, anything. Now I want this, names, all these things be like looks professional. So I will go and I'll choose some color. Okay. So based on that, you can do all this. So I will just see as a report view. Now it is coming like this. So all this activity you can do. You can, you can just do whatever you want, design things and all. So this is how you create a report. Okay. So based on your thing, it will come. So this is the current date it will show. Anything else you want to add? So for example, I want to add, suppose this time shows as now. I don't want, I want to create myself. Okay. So for that, we will go 1 second. So I need suppose date and time. Okay. Click on this date and time, what format you want. I need this way. Okay. I need PM AM this way. So sample suggestion is also coming. You click on OK. Now it is coming on top. You can just drag. Okay. you can just drag there. Okay, now I want some logo, so click on the logo. Okay, if you have anything logo, you can insert. Let me check if I have any. So I have some logo, for example. So you can see my logo. It's too big, that's why I'm just putting small. Okay, this is my logo. Also, if you want to put any title, like this is a report, so I'm putting report 2021. Okay, there are a lot of things you can do based on your requirement, what you want to add, like how you want to design. Now I will click as a report view. Now you can see, right? So these are the things you can do. Okay, this is one way to create report. I'm going to close this report. So okay, now there are another way to create a report is like report design. Okay, so design itself, you can design from scratch, and also based on your understanding, you can create a better form. Okay, better report. So first, once you click, it will give you the blank page. Now you have to enter the field. For entering all the table field, you have to click on the add existing field, and now you can see all these suggestions. Like, I need name. Okay, I want to keep here. Now I need address, so I will keep like this. I need this much space for address, let's say this much. Now I need mobile number. Now I just go a little bit down. Okay, this is my mobile number. I need date and time, so I need date and time here, so you can drag and drop anywhere. Okay, so just trying to create decent report. Now amount, so I need, okay, amount should be fine here. Okay, now already registered, so anywhere you can put, so I'm putting there. Form cost, just double click, it will get added to your report. This is form cost. Other cost, I'm just putting here other cost, and total amount, suppose I'm putting here total amount. This form cost you can put here, anything, it will work. Okay, now I'm done with this. Okay, so I want this as a like bullet. Okay, bullet point, like you need bold kind of things. You will just go change your color whatever you want. You can decrease, increase your sizes based on your you know requirement. Now this background color I don't want as a white, I want different color. So just click on this background, control, then click, go and click, and I want little bit yellow, so you have a more color. So based on selection, it will get changed. Now you can see, right? So suppose I want, should be give you decent look. Okay, now I am done. Now I have to add some banner. So click here, so drag little bit. Sorry, not this one, this one, double A, this is level. So I'm putting welcome to my MS Access report. Okay, I'm saying like this. Control B, it will bold, center, make this font bigger. Okay, now I'm changing my color. Okay, everything you can do. Now this looks a form. Okay, now I will save report one. Okay, now see as a report view, it is coming like this. Okay, now there are few things you can do. So you want report should be display as a form. Okay, so this is coming like a background kind of things. You need a form kind of things, window kind of. So for that, just design, click on design and click on the property sheet. Okay, so when you go to property sheet, make sure you are under the report only. Now if you go to the other, and you can see pop up, now it's a by default shows as no, I would say yes, and model I would say again yes. Okay, now just save it, and now just view as a report view. Now you can see this is coming as a window kind of, right? And this thing you don't require. For example, again go to the design view. Now you are under, you already selected this property sheet. Now go to the format. Okay, and you can see here scroll bar, both, select neither, you don't require. And border style, if you want to make as a dialog border style, that also you can do. Okay, you once you do this selection, and you can only see the difference. So now I'm going to click as a report view. Now it is coming, see. So this is how we create a report. Okay, so even for report also we can add few buttons. Okay, so button part I will cover in another video, while creating a forms. So everything I will cover that. You can implement button on a report or on forms, but on table or query you can't, create any button functionality. So button only applicable for these two, report and thing. So this is what the report, how to create a report. Okay, here also you can implement some button if you want. Okay, so page header, I told it's a on top it would be the same way you will have footer. Okay, so you must aware about the use of footer and header. Okay, so based on that, if you need, you can use footer and header. Okay, this is how it looks. Let me check if I miss anything else. So even, yeah, so there is one thing. So you want some background picture. Okay, for example, so go to the format and go to the background image and click. So I want some background. Suppose this is my background. Okay, so just click on this. Maybe its color combination is not match. Okay, but I'm just showing you the example. So this is some, multiple colors and all, and this is not suitable for any, form, professional form, but you can add any color as a background color. Okay, or any logo, anything like you can add, that also you can implement. So for website and all, you see, right, most of the times few background will be there on entry form or some kind of form, that you can also do here. So background, as a background, any image you can upload. Okay, right now I'm not saving this one, I'm just showing you how to add. Okay, this is what one. So insert image, already I told, like, and the logo, whatever you are saying, same similar kind of things. Okay, you can insert. Also there is one field, page numbers. If you want page number, you will get. Okay, so another thing, like theme wise also you can do changes. Which theme you want, just mouse hover over, you will get the effect. So the font will get change. Okay, you can see all the changes. So I'm just choosing this font. Okay, same, you can choose any font for this, even the color combination also. Okay, so based on that you can design your things. Now Now see the margin. So first click on the size. So you can see the size is shows A4. You can put any size, like letter wise. If I select letter, it should select letter size. Okay. Then margin you want. So margin, you can see this is a suggestion. So I always prefer go with narrow so that you will get more space. Okay. If I choose normal, I will get very less space. You can see within this boundary, right? We're getting very less space. Even wide also very less. So always select narrow for report, and you can see it's by default it shows show margin. If you don't want, so it's okay, but let it be default. Okay. Even you can see this portrait. Now I want as a landscape, so I can set up my page. Okay. So this is my preview how it looks. So margins also you can do customize. Okay, but I don't prefer, like some default setting is there, let it be like this. So this is how it looks. Okay. Even if you want any alternate color also, so alternate color, how it works I will show you. So when you click on report, so this is one report for one entry. Now you can see another entry. Okay. So if you press control, like tab, okay, you will be going to the another entry. Now you can see the color got changed, right? One will come as a white, one will come some different color. So that also, you can do the customize on the color, how it works. Okay. And these lines and all, everything you can customize. So I don't want too much big. I just want, you know this way. Okay. So this is, you can do it. Okay. So even for a report, while you are opening any report, you are getting directly. So there are few things you can do. You can maximize this report. Right now it is not giving you the maximum, you know, report size. For that, what you have to do, just right click on this and click on the design. Okay. Now go to the event and go on load. So on load means when the form will load. Okay. And you can see these three dot, just right click on three dot. So here you have option to create your code. So if you want to go with macro builder, you can go with macro, expression, or code builder. So I will choose code builder. So I will perform VBA code. So I'm just choosing this, click on OK. Now we'll get this one. So what I will do, I would say do cmd. Okay, this is the command for any action. Then dot. Right now you are getting all these options. So this is a ID. This is a like compiler kind of things where you write your codes. Okay. Now if you scroll down, you can see the maximum, right? I will choose maximum. Okay. Now I will just click on save. That's it. And I will just run it. If there is any issue, I will get. This is compiling I am doing. Okay. So far I am not getting any issue. It's okay. Just close it. Now again this close. Now I'll just open. See. So the difference, I am getting now the maximum screen. At the same time, if you want any customized message, that also you can do. So for message, just put msg within the string. Uh, Open my report. Okay, I'm saying open my report and just click on save. Okay, there is one issue. Open my message box. So once you click on this box, okay, this is the syntax. Now give one single comma. Now you are getting all kind of option. What kind of, this is information or something? I would say yes, information. Okay, and see, you are getting all the syntax with the help. Okay, prompt and all, and you have to enter something like, now the style you have done. This is what. So I need some content. For example, test report open. Let me check. So this thing I will cover. I will just showing you. Okay, while creating check, form, I will do all these things. So just understand, try to understand how it works. So the coding part also here it will work. Okay, the message box and everything will work. So I do not want to include message right now here. So in form itself, I will do all these things. So I will say one more thing. Just click on this design under this report. What I'm going to say is, now I suppose want something else. Okay, apart from the maximum, suppose I want minimum. Okay, so what I will do on current, I will go click on the code builder. So when you type do cmd, you are getting all these options. So what action you are going to perform? Okay, so you're getting all this. Suppose I want to, yeah, I got it. So what I'm trying to say, I want a one button. Okay, and then that button name is my close report. So I want, once I open this report, for example, I just open this report, and at the same time, if I click here, it should close. Okay, so for that, what I'll do, I will just click on this report checkbox, and I will go here. Okay, on click. So this is the action I am performing on click. I will just click on three dot and click on code builder and click OK. Now I want to cmd dot, you can see. So one is close database. So what is the difference? When you say close, the the active form like a report will get closed. But when I say close database, the entire database will get closed. Okay, this is only the difference. So I would recommend you first use close and click just save. Oh, one second. Yeah. So this is my report. Okay. Now I want to close it. When I click on this close button, see, it's closed now. Also, you can uh, design or you can implement some effect. Okay, for any effect on the, when I uh, over from here to there, it should blink or color change or something. If you want that kind of things. So what you have to do, in just I want changes or effect changes on this box. I will just click on this. Okay, I will go to the format. You can see once a hover color. I will select, for example, red. Okay, and press, so pressed color means when you click, on that button, the color gets, color get changed. So I will go with the green. So I'm taking different colors so that you will get the difference. So over four color. So I will select this blue and press more for color. I will select, suppose, this one. Okay. Now I will save and I will just close it. I will go and just open this report. See, when I'm hover over, is color showing as a red. If I just remove, then it's a normal. Okay. When I click, just press on click button, it shows green, right? See, first it shows red, now it's normal. When I press click, it's green. This is what happening. So, you can do like, if you want this effects, it will also work. Okay, all, even here also. So I will again show you how effects work. So I'm choosing this. Okay, I will leave this two right now. So click all wherever you want. So go here, it would be under format, color, four color. So I want red. Okay, so spatial. So whenever you are doing, you know uh, always do one by one so that you will get all these option. Okay, four color is getting now. Border color, border style. So, but one thing, always do the effect thing on the buttons. Okay, don't do here. It's not a good suggestion, because your information should not, too much colorful. The button you can do, and that is only the purpose on the button side. Okay, but don't do here. Keep it like simple. It should not be like too fancy, so it should be very decent. So button side you can do all these changes. Okay, whatever color impact you want to do, that you can do it. So I will create another button here. I will go to design, click on the button, and I want my table should open. I should able to see my table from report itself. So I will give this name as a open table data. Okay, so just write. Okay, just write, go to the event. Okay, and on click. So it would be always one on click. Now go to choose this code builder, click on open. So to cmd. Okay, so you can see, right, when I enter O, it is giving all this. So open query. Okay, suppose take example open query, but open query, it's missing, right? What open query? So I have to complete it. So I need a normal. I need only read only. Okay. So I will, show you in different forms. Okay, when we create all these forms, that time I will show you how it works. For now, just understand how to create a report, because in report we do not create these things too much. Okay, report only should be, based on the form clicks actions. So I think this should be enough. So you should able to close the report. That should be enough on the report, or you can able to print that report as a PDF. That is only the purpose on report. So all these things will create while we create a form. That time I will work on all the buttons. Especially I will have another session on the buttons, all with all these functions. So once we click, once we create a form, That time we are going to cover this session. So far you understand what is report, how to create a report, how you can design or customize your things on the report. This is what report. So on next video I will cover the form, how to create a good decent form, professional. It would be looks a very professional form. Okay, so thank you for be part of this session. So we are going to end up this call today. Okay, let me just stop my recording.